A bombshell Inspector General report released Thursday revealed that several FBI employees improperly received gifts from reporters in connection with possible leaks of sensitive information. Although public details of these exchanges are scant, they could constitute prosecutable violations of federal gift-giving rules. The gifts in question included tickets to sporting events, golfing outings, drinks and meals, and admittance to non-public social events. We will separately report on those investigations as they are concluded, consistent with the Inspector General Act, other applicable federal statutes, and OIG policy, the report reads. Gifting rules for executive branch officials are strict and exacting. The U.S. Office of Government Ethics provides that executive branch employees may not solicit or accept gifts that are given because of their official positions or that come from certain interested sources. Prohibited sources. Trending, fired up Trump names. The only three things Democrats are good at. The rules define a prohibited source as a person who is seeking official action by, is doing business or seeking to do business with, or is regulated by the employee's agency, or has interests that may be substantially affected by performance or non-performance of the employee's official duties. Those definitions derive from the U.S. Code that states violations will be sanctioned in accordance with any applicable laws, executive orders, and rules or regulations. These rules apply to government officials, and it is not clear if any reporters involved in these dealings could face any sort of punishment. It's also not clear a reporter should be considered a prohibited source within the meaning of the provided definitions. Violations of gift-giving rules are sometimes prosecuted as violations of the Honest Services Fraud statute. High-profile office holders indicted for gift violations under this law include Democratic Senator Bob Menendez of New Jersey and former GOP Governor Bob McDonnell of Virginia. Jack Abramoff, the notorious Washington lobbyist, was convicted of honest services fraud. The HSF statute is a controversial tool, as its vague provisions permit an enterprising prosecutor to make a criminal case out of good faith mistakes or generally harmless conduct. The U.S. Supreme Court dramatically narrowed the reach of the law in a 2010 case called Skilling v. U.S., confining its use to cases involving bribes or kickbacks. Violations of federal anti-corruption laws occur when a public employee takes official action in exchange for gifts. The High Court has confined the meaning of official action to include only formal exercises of power in official proceedings. It's not clear that leaking to a reporter falls within this definition, although other federal laws may criminalize this conduct. Related, Mueller team attorney under fire for sending anti-Trump text, Vivala resistance. Criminal cases notwithstanding, unauthorized media contacts involving the exchange of gifts could serve as a basis for other administrative penalties, like reassignment, suspension or termination. A version of this article appeared on the Daily Caller News Foundation website. Content created by the Daily Caller News Foundation is available without charge to any eligible news publisher that can provide a large audience. For licensing opportunities of our original content, please contact licensing@dailycallernewsfoundation.org. Facebook has greatly reduced the distribution of our stories in our readers' news feeds and is instead promoting mainstream media sources. When you share to your friends, however, you greatly help distribute our content. Please take a moment and consider sharing this article with your friends and family. Thank you.